So out on a group dig with the Metal Detectives in conjunction with LP. They pinged an email out asking for people that wanted to go along, so I accepted. We have 3 fields that take you over the horizon, and as you can see there's quite a few people here. I'm out with the Manticore, so fingers crossed we'll find something decent. So we'll see you at the first hole, if there is a hole. Enjoy, and yeah, sit back and relax. We're on a 9, 10, 11, 12. Not the best signal in the world, but it's diggable. It could be foil, something like that, but then again I have had a hammered on that number as well. It's very sticky here today. And tell. It's out apparently. Yes, I am using the Accupoint. I'm allowed to show it now. Just a bit of foil. Yeah, just a bit of foil. Just a little bit of foil. $19.20. Not very far down. Ah, is that a coin? Is that a coin? Or is it a button? Possible it's a coin. Can't see anything written on it. That little spray. It's toasted if it is. Well and truly toasted. But coin's a coin. $38.39. Not that far down either. It's a bullet. Little bullet. Happy days. It's jumping between 39 and 41. Possible it's another bit of lead actually. Oh, that already. God, I'm knackered walking across this, this field. Absolutely worn out. That's shot at the end. Just a shot at the end. Generally around about 64 to 68, but to be fair, it's kind of like going everywhere. So it could be a bit of lead maybe. Don't know. Nice signal now. That's open and it's gone up to 88, 91. And drop back down to 63 to 65. So let's have a look. Another shot at the end, or was that a button? In fact, it's got a milled edge, so don't know. It's not ammunition. It's not a button. It's just a winder of some sort, maybe off of a. I haven't got a clue. I'm not even going to guess, but it's a winder anyway. By the looks of that. 64, 63, 64. Perfect circle, but as we all know, it doesn't mean anything, but it does sound nice. It's already out. It's out. Oh. Just a wash, I think. I'd love to say it was a brooch, but I don't think it was. I think it was just a good old washer. Jumping around to 25 to 27. Obviously going up a little bit higher than that on some of the sweeps, but it's generally 25 to 27. There it is. Just a contact point, I suppose, for a oh, it's a hinge. Part of a hinge. .45, 46 and occasionally a 47. So, a bit of crud I would have thought. Strange. Not picking anything up. Ah, bullet casing. 303. 303 casing, what's left of it. There's the hole. Can't see a shank or where a shank would have been. It's bulbous. I just wondered if there was something on there, but look, there's a little bit of a pattern on there. A little bit of a pattern. I can only think it used to be a button of some sort. 29.30. Little way down. Yeah. Bit of a run out. Ah, it's a buckle. It's a buckle. Let's get a little brush. There you go, broken buckle. Well, it's a full buckle, but it is snapped in the middle. Yeah, nice little buckle. Happy with that. Took a while to find, but happy with that. $15.16. Now, it's not giving off such a bad signal. Certainly not giving me any grunts. I can't even see that. Just a bit of crap, I think. Yeah, a bit of foil. I got foiled by the foil. 51, 52. Decent signal for once. That's 53, 55 now. So what is it? It's on the surface anyway. It's a moon tube. Oh dear, never mind. 26, 27. Yep. 27. We've got a button. We have a button. And it's got a shank on the back as well. Yeah. Oh, it might be foil actually. I don't know. It's jumping between 16 and 20. Let's see. That's out. It's out. It's got a screw thread on it, so modern. Oh well. Modern junk.